Do you cover like M programming language also in this?
Obviously, yes. Power BI end to end. When I say 60 days, everything you will be covering. DAX functions, M language, Power BI services, everything we will be covering.
And in Power BI, how many real-time projects you will cover, sir?
Totally, in the entire course, you will be learning about 3 projects.
3 projects. Okay. And sir, you will give like Power BI Pro license also.
Power BI premium license we are giving. Pro and premium, which is 60 days. We'll tell you how to activate premium, but that account will be valid for 1 year. 1 year you can use it, but that particularly premium version you will be able to access for 60 days.
Okay. No, I inquired about, but that in message they send me that Power BI Pro license also you will provide.
See, premium is the latest version. After pro, only premium. I'm saying premium only we are giving.
Okay.
That means pro is also included, right?
Okay. It's a 1 year validity.
The account is valid for 1 year. The pro and premium will be valid for 2 months, 60 days.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
For Fabric also same, like
Usually,
1 year only.
that license, what we are giving, we can use it for both Power BI service as well as for Fabric, which is for 2 months, premium
Okay.
version.
But we can practice for 1 year in that.
Yeah,
with,
you can practice.
for 1 year for Fabric and as
Yes.
well. Okay.
Yes.
But that features which are available in the Pro and the Premium will not be available
Correct.
for entire year. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, but whatever the practices we can want to can do.
Basic
So please, I'm
level,
asking.
basic level projects and all you can do, but
Mhm.
the premium ones we will have to work with higher transformations, bigger data and all may not be possible. That
Mhm.
possibility you can do it only for 2 months.
Okay, okay, okay.
So,
After-
so we
After-
have
extra
three
fee for
licenses.
we
Sorry?
will have to pay?
Sorry. Yeah, after that, let's say that we have given you pre and premium license, okay, and you have utilized for let's say 2 months, which is for 60 days. Okay. After this, if you still need premium, then you have to pay extra, which is around 4.5K, I guess. Depends on the market value, but this is not in our control. This is Microsoft's charge. First time we are giving it for free. This will be part of your fees itself. For first time, we are going to give you for free. That is this account and the license we are going to give free. The second time you take, we will have to pay 4,500. This is enough. Yeah, this is enough. If you learn and if you do the projects, it's enough, because once you learn for 60 days, you'll get a job. Company will give you premium license. Whichever company you go, whichever client you go, they will give you. Why you want an additional license? Within that only you will get job, provided if you listen to me.